Did you know there's a giant statue that watches over an entire city? So massive it can be seen from almost anywhere in Rio? Meet Christ the Redeemer. This 98-foot-tall giant stands on top of Corcovado Mountain, arms wide open, embracing the city below. But here's the jaw-dropping part. Back in the 1930s, every single piece was carried up the mountain by train and then assembled at the peak. Imagine that, hauling massive parts of a statue up a steep mountain. And in 2014, a lightning storm struck the statue, breaking off part of its thumb. Repair crews had to dangle over the edge of the mountain to fix it. Christ the Redeemer isn't just a statue, it's a symbol of strength and faith, standing tall through the fiercest storms. Want to explore more amazing facts? Hit that subscribe button, share, like, and comment for more incredible sights and stories.